Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It's Thursday, April 26th. Going to do my nightly video on Natgas. So Natgas, finally, we're getting a break on this equilibrium pattern. We had a high, a low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, and we're breaking this. We broke this resistance at 2.831. So that's a nice bull break here. It's a nice bullish candle. We have one more trading day. We'll see what happens. You can see the upper Bollinger Band, the Bollinger Bands are opening up. The Bollinger Band, upper Bollinger Band is opening up, and because we're closer to the upper Bollinger Band, it's likely that that Natgas bulls may be able to ride the upper Bollinger Band to the upside. And so the next weekly resistance isn't until all the way up here at 2.951. And so if we can hit this upper Bollinger Band and ride it up, it is an advantage of the bulls here at this point. I want to just look at the unadjusted contract charts on Thinkorswim to see the volume. Pretty low volume so far this week. Let me see. Let me remove this real quick. Looking at the weekly volume here, it's pretty weak volume on the week, very thin volume. So need to see some increasing bull volume next week, and a break of this week's high at 2.844 if that's the high that's in. Looking at this unadjusted natural gas chart, it is also a bull break on the weekly on this by breaking above 2.811. I'm going to go back to the adjusted chart here. Going back to this adjusted chart. Look at where the 4-hour RSI is. So I'd be patient a little bit on an entry, a bull entry on natural gas. The 4-hour RSI is close to being oversold at the semi level, and you've seen some consolidation for at least a few days at these levels here. And so I would be patient a little bit to enter a bull play at this point on Natgas until this 4-hour RSI cooled a bit. And you can see that the 4-hour bulls are in control. It's forming higher lows on the 4-hour and higher highs, and so expect some consolidation on a break here at this point on the low of 2.799. Look for some consolidation and re-enter on some consolidation pullback on the 4-hour. You can look at the hourly if you'd like. If the hourly gets close to that 30 RSI on consolidation, that's when I would likely that would be my ideal entry. When the hourly cools down, shows me that we are going to start forming higher highs again off whatever consolidation we have. But just the risk to the upside, knowing it historically now at this point and seeing the 4-hour chart and where it's pulled back near the 70 RSI overbought levels, it's just not worth the risk to me. Again, on the longer term charts, the weekly is having a bull break, but I just want to see a little bit of pullback to find a bull entry at this point on Natgas using the 4-hour chart. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.